Lately, I've been really enjoying my mornings. It gives me more time to focus on myself, eat a good breakfast, and just be more mindful with everything. I'm definitely not yet a morning person, but I am trying and getting better every single day. Follow me on my clean girl routine where I share with you my routine, how I keep smelling fresh, and my effortless look. My skin has been really I don't know, just not it. I'm gonna actually go ahead and shave my face. I'm just gonna shave some spots that I feel like I need. I'm not gonna do everything just because I shaved, I think about a month ago, maybe a month and a half. I don't remember. I'm gonna add a little bit of some oil serum and then shave the necessary areas. I've been trying to take care of my hair a lot more these days because I'm telling you, my hair, I don't know. I feel like even though I haven't dyed my hair or put any heat in it, I feel like it's still really dry. And also my hair is starting to thin out, which I have no idea why. Maybe I need to take my vitamins, which I got them right here. I saw a couple of recommendations online that help with thickening your hair and making your hair stronger. So I started using the As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Oil Castor Oil Water. So you're supposed to use this as kind of like a replacement for water, and it kind of works. I feel like it does help my hair feel a little bit more hydrated, but it still looks really dry. And then I also been using the Olaplex bonding oil, and I usually just apply this on my ends, like my split ends and stuff. And then for my scalp, I've been using the miel, and this is the rosemary mint scalp and hair strengthening oil, and I heard this is supposed to be really good for helping grow your hair out. I'm hoping to see some difference with my hair and the density of my hair, because I have a lot of hair, but I just my hair is really thin, if that makes sense. So it does look thinner in the scalp area versus the other rest. I was actually sent the Cream of Nature Butter Blend and Flaxseed Curl Definer and Booster, and I've been obsessed with this. I think I'm already almost halfway through it, and I'm kind of sad because I love it so much. It really helps curl my hair without weighing it down. I've noticed whenever I use gels and stuff, it really weighs down my hair, and I don't know why. Maybe because I don't use a diffuser, I'm not really sure. I've been also using the Cream of Nature Butter Blend pudding. I feel like the pudding has definitely worked a lot better for my hair compared to the gel. I think the gel made my hair really stringy looking compared to the butter or the pudding. It kind of helps curl my hair a little bit better. So, but I usually focus it towards the 3/4 of my hair rather than the roots. I think with the new hair products that I've been using, my hair definitely looks better, the texture, but I still am struggling with the root area. Let me know if you have any product recommendations for curly hair, as well as any haircut recommendations. So lately I've realized that the clean girl aesthetic has been going around, and honestly I didn't even know that was an aesthetic. A clean girl basically is a girl that you can tell is very clean and polished. She tends to always smell really good, wears a lot of neutral tone clothes, especially matching sets. She likes to wear a lot of gold and live a very self-care routine lifestyle. So she's constantly taking care of her skin, doing face masks. Based on the internet, a clean girl tends tends to really focus on a couple things in their life. So first, it's their face. They really like to properly moisturize and wash their face. They're really huge advocates about keeping a nice like skincare routine and then going with a more natural, light and simple makeup look, which I actually already did. I uploaded that makeup look on TikTok like months ago, and it's kind of cool to see that it's actually like an aesthetic now. I did re-upload that video on YouTube as well, so you guys can check it out if you're curious about that makeup look. Basically, in general, they have like a effortlessly fresh and low maintenance appearance through their makeup, hair and accessories. I am going with NYX Bear With Me skin serum. I feel like serums are like the best option for my skin. I mean, of course there are certain days where I like to have a little bit more higher coverage, but 99% of the time I'm all about the skin like foundations and stuff like that. What is he doing? I feel like a lot of the aesthetics that we see these days, they're all like, I guess, styles or aesthetics that we've seen before a million of times, but they're just like labeled differently. I feel like we should never feel pressured to fit into an aesthetic. Just be you, honestly. That's what I'm doing. I'm literally being me. It's kind of nice. I mean, although when it comes to like the clean girl aesthetic, especially on TikTok, I do feel like it's not showing as much representation in like the Black and people of color community, just because like it's very much white dominated. And of course this could just be based on what I see on, you know, my For You page, but that's kind of how I see it. I feel like a lot of the time you don't really see a lot of like Black and people of color, like women of color, doing the clean girl aesthetic. I'm like obsessed with the Kaja blushes. Like they are so dewy and they really truly make like my makeup look so good. And when it comes to like the clean girl aesthetic, I feel like it's all about wearing makeup that really suits your skin tone, and I think this blush really does that for me. I'm using the Dominique Cosmetic lip liner and I believe Crush, and I feel like this lip liner really suits me because it's a more like natural nudish color, so it doesn't look overbearing on the lips. I actually got some new mousse lip products from Kaja, so I'm like in between using the mousse and their glosses. I personally really like their gloss, but I already know what it looks like just because I've used it a lot in previous makeup looks. So if you haven't seen those makeup looks, check it out, because honestly I've been doing a lot of like makeup shorts just because it's easier to film. But let me try their new lip mousse. This one is called Love Swipe in Every Girl. Of course, makes sense because we're doing the clean girl aesthetic. I'm gonna go ahead and put actually a gloss on top of that. So I'm gonna use the Kaja lip gloss. I'm gonna go ahead and do the brows and the eyes. I feel like I have a little bit too much lip product. Just because I use that new base. I usually just do the gloss and it gives me more of like a pinkish nude. So I'm gonna take off this a little bit. I took some of like the product in the middle and then I'm just gonna add the lip gloss. On my lashes, I just used the Valentino mascara, and then I also use my typical ABH pen, like eyebrow pen, as well as the NYX glue. Brow glue. So I'm gonna add the Milk Makeup Hydro Spray, and I like how this makes my makeup look so freaking glowy. I might add a little bit of a liner, like literally at the outer corners here, and I'll blend it up with. So I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed, and honestly, I love this outfit, and I think you guys are gonna like it too. I am obsessed with this outfit. You guys probably have seen it in my recent video that I made about how to style basic outfits as well as what to wear in 2022. And I'm gonna wear some white boots with it. Being from a Latin family who love smelling good, I have collected some perfumes over the years. Now, I haven't bought any new perfumes in a very long time, so I've been gradually using them all up. I just haven't found like the perfect perfume that I feel like suits me in my current moment. A lot of the perfumes that I have now are perfumes that at one point in my life I thought, okay, this is me, this is my scent. But now I'm like, no, it's not my scent. So let me show you guys my perfumes. Why did I sound like I'm from the South? I'm not from the South. Ta-da, here are my perfumes. Now, all of my perfumes besides one of them, two of them, I bought when I was in Korea. First perfume that I have is actually this one, Gian Lavin, and this one was actually my go-to perfume for years. Like literally my friends already knew when I was coming into the door because I legit smell like this from very far away. And I've had a lot of good compliments from people whenever I use this perfume. A lot of people tell me I smell really good, like even strangers. So I was obsessed with this one for a very long time. This one, it's from the same brand, Gian Lavin, but it's a different bottle. This one is definitely more musky, which is not really my style. As you could tell, I have barely used it. I'm not a fan of like that mature musk scent. I prefer something that's a little bit more on the sweeter side, a little bit more soft. Ta-da! This is the DKNY Be Delicious perfume, and this is so iconic for me because I used to use this a ton. I remember saving up my money like for months and months so that I can afford it because it was so expensive. One of my favorite perfumes from this year was actually the Ariana Grande perfume, and as you could tell, it's completely empty because I was obsessed with this one. It wasn't necessarily my scent, but I loved how it smelled though. And then I also got this perfume spray, travel friendly spray from Clean, and this one is their Radiant Nectar. I actually got a sample of this once and I was obsessed with it, so I ended up buying the spray bottle, and I think that I like how it smells a lot when you first initially apply it, but as it continues to mix with like my own natural oils, it just doesn't smell like how I thought it would smell on me based on first impressions. So I like it, but it's definitely not what I was expecting. I just went outside and took a couple of pictures and videos for TikTok and Instagram. I'm really excited how they turned out, and I'm gonna go ahead and drink my matcha latte. Probably edit a couple of photos and videos for TikTok and Instagram and all that stuff. Clean because I have literally makeup everywhere. They always say that women have 3 types of shower: our quick body wash shower, our hair and body shower, and then the ultimate shower with shaving, exfoliating, face mask, and literally everything else. During my quick shower, I definitely keep it easy with double cleansing routine, a quick exfoliate, and shower. As I mentioned in my January monthly reset video, I've been focusing more on my self-care and moisturizing my body. While I'm using my LED mask, it gives me enough time to listen to a podcast episode or just relax without worrying about anything. Also, if you have really dry skin like I do, I highly recommend combining your body cream with some body oil. Honestly, it's such a lifesaver and it really helps hydrate my skin throughout the night. Goodbye wrinkles and dry skin. I think I'm gonna go to sleep now. I'm really tired. I was gonna plan and manifest, but like I'm just too tired, way too tired. I hope you guys enjoyed my kind of like clean girl aesthetic kind of routine. I feel like it's a really interesting concept just because I never knew that my normal life is an aesthetic, so it's kind of fun, I think. But as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you guys are notified whenever I upload a video. And of course, hit me up on my Instagram and TikTok. That's where I do a lot more fashion and makeup content. And take care of your health, diverse beauties, and I'll see you next time.